Guys, I just want to do a quick shout out to Vladimir. Well, back in October 9th, 2019, I did a mentorship with him. I want to show exactly where our mentorship is going. So it's a little bit less than 2 months since I started with him. Today it's 4 p.m., almost 4 p.m., and we're already at 20 grand in sales. And I also want to show you the numbers for the days since I started with him. So October 9th all the way to December 5th, and here we are, $407,000. Look at how it started slow, and then look at those numbers in the last couple of days. They've been great. Just shout out to him, shout out to his team, shout out to Santiago, shout out to everybody, and just learning from the best. Look where it got me in less than 2 months. Again, man, thank you very much.
You heard the man. 2 months to get these results, guys. This is no BS. There's no way we could BS result after result after result after result, okay?